The Cyclone vacuum cleaner is perfect if you're looking for a clean and a dust-free experience. With its compact and lightweight design, this handheld vacuum cleaner is perfect for your home and your car. It occupies a tiny space and easy to store away. The structure is built to clean every inch of your car, making it easier for you to remove dirt, debris, dust, and other particles that can damage car units in a long term. The vacuum cleaner features a strong suction power, a washable filter, a dust container button, a dust container, air outlet, power switch, cable, a plug, this product comes with a swivel brush, a crevice tool, and a flex hose. Its vacuum attributes cyclonic action, which literally separates larger beakers from the smaller ones. This helps the filtration system much better and lasts longer. It uses 70 to 120 watts as power and consumes 12 volts. Clean your car more efficiently with Automotive Cyclone Vacuum Cleaner.